Hello people, my name is Afshin Haydari, and initially I just wanted to invite you to subscribe to my channel and please hit the bell to be informed when I make a new video. By this you will get any updates as well as new videos that I've created. Okay, as the reminder, let me define the definition of a horizontal asymptotes. Definition of horizontal asymptotes. If the distance between the graph of a function and some fixed line approaches zero as a point on the graph moves increasingly far from the origin, we say that the graph approaches the line asymptotically, and that the line is an asymptote of the graph. Definition: a line y equals b is a horizontal asymptote of the graph of a function y equals f of x if either of the following cases happen. Limit of f of x when x approaches infinity equals b, or limit of f of x when x approaches minus infinity equals b. Here it is our function. Okay, here the solution. We calculate the limits of this function when x approaches plus minus infinity, or it means that absolute value of x approaches to infinity plus infinity. At first, when x is greater than 0 or equals 0, in this case, as a result, absolute value of x equals positive x. So, limit of x in power 3 minus 2 here, because of this, x in power 3 plus 1 equals, when x approaches plus infinity. By factoring x in power 3, we have 1 minus 2 over x in power 3. And also here, x in power 3, again, as the factor, plus 1 over x in power 3. And considering that x approaches positive infinity, 1 over x approaches 0 from the right. So here, this x in power 3 and this x in power 3 will be cancelled out, and 2 over x in power 3 and 1 over x in power 3 both approaches to 0. And the answer of this the answer of this limit is 1. And similarly, for the other case, x is less than 0 and absolute value of x equals minus x, and we have limit of x in power 3 minus 2, and here minus x in power 3 instead of absolute value of x in power 3. We have this because of this, and because x less than 0, plus 1 equals limit of x in power 3 is the factor 1 minus 2 over x in power 3, and x in power 3 minus 1 plus 1 over x in power 3. X approaches to minus infinity. So 1 over x approaches to 0 from the left. And here we have this. Because of this, minus 2 over x in power 3 approaches to 0. And again, because of this, 1 over x in power 3 approaches to 0. And the answer is minus 1. Attention to this negative. Okay. The horizontal asymptotes are y equals minus 1 and y equals 1. The graph is displayed in this figure. Notice that the graph crosses the horizontal asymptote y equals minus 1 for a positive value of x. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe in my channel. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.